Hi everyone, hope you're keeping well. It's been a while since my last video, but anyway, over the past few weekends I've been working on a small project which is to design a coffee bean slow feeder. I'm very interested in what's available on the market, and based on that I've tried to mock up a design based on what's available. And you can see from the left to right here are the design alterations. So what started off was that I've made sure the beams and the electronics can all fit, and this one is actually a working prototype. And once I've nailed down that it can work, I start to change the outlook. You can just about see it change from very simple to some curves along with patterns and everything. And as you can probably see from my other videos that I have 3D printers, so it allows me to print out a model or a working prototype very easily. Along that, I can also print out small sections of the model just for me to try out all the electronics, whether or not they will fit, and the doors, how does it work, etc., down to finer details such as overhangs or supports. But anyway, the design of this is very simple actually. This door here is designed, might not be able to fit here, but it does. But anyway, this door here is a simple drop down door, and it's obviously held by this and gravity, so it's easy to operate. And you can see from the top down that the size of the electronic compartments change from smaller to bigger, just so that I can fit in more electronics. The final version is actually not a lot, but slightly bigger as well. What else do I have to say? Yep, so this is the knob to control the speed of this rotation. I haven't got the battery installed, but this is to control the speed, and this is to turn the unit on and off. Reasoning behind is that once you set the speed, if you want to keep it that way, you can use this button to turn on and off. You don't have to change the speed once you're happy with it. Fairly simple, I would say. So this is the end design, I would say, that there is a bigger lip whereby it can be adapted to an adapter that you fit on top of the grinder, and basically just drop in, and there you go. Reason why I print it out in white is because it allows me to see everything better, including the remains of the coffee beans. But very, very simple design. I will also attach some videos after this to show the working slow feeder on top of my coffee bean grinder. Hope you find this useful. If you're interested, I will post more updates, because after using this for a couple of weeks, I already noticed some improvements that I can make. But that's, if you're interested, I will post some updates to explain what has been improved or changed just to make this better, really. Yeah, thank you for watching.